Unlocking a virtual card on Klarna is a straightforward process that allows you to make purchases online securely. Follow these steps to unlock your virtual card. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Cards section. Once you are in the app, look for the Cards section in the main menu. This is where you will find your virtual card details. Step 3. Select your virtual card. In the Cards section, locate your virtual card. Tap on it to access the card settings and options available. Step 4. Unlock the card. Look for the option to unlock your virtual card. This may be labeled as Unlock or Activate. Follow the prompts to complete the unlocking process. Step 5. Confirm in use. After unlocking, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now use your virtual card for online purchases. Make sure to check the card details for accuracy before using it. Now you are ready to make secure purchases with your unlocked virtual card on Klarna. Enjoy your shopping experience.